How to make a custom walk speed and jump height in Roblox Studio. Add a screen GUI to the starter GUI and name it CharacterSetting GUI. Add a frame for designing the settings window. Add text or images to specify points for adjusting walk speed and jump height. Add two text boxes, named walk speed input and jump height input, for entering values. Add two text buttons, named Apply Button and Reset Button, for confirming the entered values and resetting the default values. Add a local script to the frame. Writing the script. This script lets the player change their walk speed and jump height through a GUI while checking for invalid input and allowing values to be reset. Setup services and UI. Stores default values and original colors. Creates a reusable error system. Invalid input turns the text box red and shows an error. Waits before restoring the text box. Format the numbers so the UI looks cleaner. Update the player's movement properties using the humanoid. Checks if the input is valid before applying it. Saves old values in case of errors. Convert text into numbers. Checks for invalid walk speed and jump height input. If the input is not a number, we show an error instead of applying it. Only update stats when everything is valid. Set default text box values. Displays default values when UI opens. Applies settings when pressing Enter. Applies values when Apply button is clicked. Reset button restores both the UI and the character values. Click Play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.